Valentine's Day reading. Learn to read with love. It is Valentine's Day. I see red. I eat candy. I love balloons. I hug a teddy. I smell flowers. I open gifts. I taste chocolate. I feel glad. You're a reading star. Happy Valentine's Day. Like, share, hit the bell icon and subscribe to Brain Pops. See you in the next one.